change process. Among 40 sound no manase. Nenjai ye per se ya de na di huru among for na. Oh yes sir. Sa also time I do baby na se bibi nsusu na so ntia se a. Sa na obi de be ye. And so this particular change a changer. Na among for baby it's like they were not expecting it. Even if they were expecting the change, they were not expecting like team Nibeka in fee. No one expected that. Say team Nibeka in fee. They were expecting say bia obi kwa ene obi a yensu enim no anaso obi say ene beba. Enti obi a wini ana obi yensu an lose. This particular change in sa na amahu no. Big obi a wini o. Ana obi anso an lose. Say na hebia people feel say hebia asimesi no mukwa asimesi no na beba. What does say? Ana asimesi people feel say ene say ye koda asimesi no na beba na ye nyina be ko. No people from obi ama timro da agina de na oye na de. Enti misre we should not use our social media pages to be doing like personal settlement in no na ya drag us and take Kotoko abam. Kotoko don't need it. Yes, Kotoko don't need it. Kotoko inshe ubia so onye sano. Kotoko don't need it.
Just support the crop agenda.
Just support. In fact, fee people are not happy. We are not happy. People are not happy about the quite amount for be per se. Omu use Kotoko. Na omu di ehuru amount for normally can sem efa amount for. It is not the best. So people should stay away from that. With regard to kits, our umbe yusu ediabo this season. A kit manufacturing company in Wesiwo say or Kotoko kit for 1 season.
A kit manufacturing company.
Yes, or Kotoko kit for 1 full season. Kotoko has get a kit sponsor. Omanya kita. For the full season ya boy.
And as we speak, Kumasi Asante Kotoko officially has a kit sponsor.
There's a kit for the league.
Okay.
After the league, because time is very short.
Yeah.
So time is very short. And then discussing we. So after the league, and then they will enter into a proper agreement. Obiabe hu kit na Kotoko be use this.
Okay.
Obiabe hu.
Come on here, me do.
Obiabe hu kit na Kotoko be use this season. After the season, then a proper signing on contract beba I be take more than 3 years.
Is it an international manufacturing company or a local one?
There's a kit sponsoring company. There's a kit.
Okay. I'll say. Oh, okay. Didn't no. Okay. Also, due to the closeness of the start of the league, we have a kit manufacturing company for a 1-year period to enable us enter into an elaborate contract with a company for a long-term project. Otumfuo has paid for new equipment for training. Yes. And they are going to be using those equipments at Insuta.
So, come apem WhatsApp group.
Yeah, Omakoye donation be bottled waters.
250 packs. Say team name fan call Beposo. Me nyan ntie say omo anso no kodi omo nsam. I say omati so kakra.
Inso na amudi koma Kumasi Asante.
Omo anso no kosi omo so no. I say omo amfa 150 ni 250 ni nyina anko. I saw 150 ako.
No 200 and
250.
250. I say a packet, one pack minimum so more than 100 na train. So go say tiniga. Inso so mo be dwaro. So mo be do 250 mo fa nyina anko.
Nti hwan mo ne kosi o mansam no.
Ochina mebodi so man fa nso na anko ochina. Bigi Mrs. so man fa nso na anko ochina mebodi.
Supporters na ya mo nsuo. Someone conko donating farmer Kumasi Asante Kotoko. On behalf of Yen Kuma Pem for another Kuma Pem for.
So much say nsuo no mo de ko be bia nsuo no ko duru and do gi nsuo no. Ah say o direct man nsuo no call be person no. Wan fi ba me gidi pa say ka na be for nsuo na ka na yema.
O bokwan ama nipa na na.
Me gidi. Asa me ke sa no nso e friend na won kasa. Na ka na yema. Ah intina.
Tinanka o maka na kwa ba no abefa de aka
ni. Nti bia o kira kan de aka no be ko. Nyesa me bondi. O kina ta na nsuo na kwa wo wi nsuo no. Me fa ho nipa o ye be bondi.
Na o ma frɛ na bisa no ho asɛm.
Me da me gi me se me fa ho nipa ko no ye me bondi. Sa no man enkoso bi ebo.
Jesus Christ.
Enkoso bi emo. Say your left. Say your right. Me body. Mr. No. Onim ekwan supporters ebre eto omunsu e de bae. Inti said that the nature, inti esrom. Omunsu nko.